Hello and welcome to the vlog. This is the next installment of the salon updates. In this one we're going to tackle tiling, paneling, mural, and I think we've got some community market clips in there as well. So a lot of these updates we wanted to be able to get done before the salon even opened. We just didn't have the time or money. So they were like first priority once we did have those things, and one of them was tiling the countertops on the salon floor. Previously they were just old IKEA ones. They weren't great. They weren't in the best condition. They had like paint stains and stuff from the previous tenant. So Chase and both Whitney and I's stepdads helped us, but mostly it was just Whitney and I, and we put our hearts, our blood, our sweat, our tears into these tile countertops, especially Whitney. That's her literal blood on the floor because she accidentally knelt in some broken tile pieces while she was using the tile saw. But it was a good learning experience, and I'm happy that we did it. We also ended up putting like a shiny finish on top of the tiles that was not necessary and not meant for the tiles that we had, and it dried all bubbly and weird and we had to get rid of it. So in some of these clips you can see that, but it's good to go now. It looks beautiful. We're very proud of it. And then Lindsay started on the mural. I had reached out to her and I was like, hey, would you be interested in doing a mural at the salon? Whitney and I will do your hair for free forever if need be. And she did such a great job. I'll talk some more about it at the end when the mural's finished, but I had to include some progress shots because she really worked so hard on this. It took forever and she made it so detailed and beautiful. We're very appreciative of it. And then we had to get started on the paneling that goes like in front of the countertops because it was also from the previous tenant, just hodgepodge together, and we had painted it and it was a temporary solution. But Chase came, helped us. We got these panels, and they're actually like soundproofing panels, so it helped with the echo a lot as well. But he helped us cut them to size, and we brad nailed them into place so they can be taken off if say the heater needs to be worked on, which it has been, but they're very easy to replace. So yeah, it looks so much better than the hodgepodge of like MDF and plywood that was there, and it's so nice to not have it be so echoey in the salon. We didn't even necessarily intend for that to be an outcome of this, but it was a happy accident. It is the eve of our community market at the salon. We're just here setting up, getting everything ready. We're gonna have snacks over here. Anita's getting her cute little fit on. I'm excited. So we threw a community market at the salon, hopefully the first of many. Anita kind of put it on for us and organized it. It was her idea to begin with, and it was such a great idea. So for this first one, we only invited our clients to be vendors. So any of our clients that has small businesses, we invited them to come and vend in our space for free. And then we invited the community in to come and shop. A lot of our friends and family showed up, which was like incredible. It was like really busy and great to feel supported by like all of our loved ones, but we also had people that we didn't even know from the community show up, and that felt really good. I'll try to remember to link all of their socials in the description of this video so that way you can go check them out as well, especially if you're local to the Ogden area. These are all local businesses that you can support, and they're usually out and about in the city. I forgot about these, but the next of the salon updates we did was updating our back shampoo area. Now, there's some clips in here of me talking about plumbing, and we're just gonna breeze past that for now. We had a bit of a situation with the plumbing, so unfortunately we're still trying to get that figured out, but we can talk about this cabinet that I'm putting together, which is for like our shampoos and things like that, things that you need in the shampoo area. We also before didn't have anywhere to like set down a color bowl or anything like that when you were at the bowl with your client. So we ordered this cabinet piece of furniture thing, and I put it together. One of the things that made it hard to find something for here is like, one, it's a very small area, and two, we didn't necessarily like want cabinet doors opening up into that space because it's pretty tight. So I found this cabinet that has like accordion doors, I guess you would call them, and rounded corners, and it was pretty skinny, so it just like fit all of the needs very perfectly. And I actually am putting it together while Whitney is out of town at the Rainbow Convention in these clips, so I was like really excited to get it all done for her to come back to and see. We did have a Halloween party at the salon, and it was so much fun. Aaliyah planned it and threw it all, so big thanks to her for that. And she also taught a makeup class the day of, so she taught us how to do like special effects, prosthetics, that kind of thing. And as a salon, we all decided to dress up as fairies. So then like we were all able to like do our makeup for our Halloween costumes for the party together during the day, and then we like got to go home for a little while and come back, and it was so fun. A lot of our friends and family showed up again to support us, which was great, and I'm hoping it is the first of many Halloween parties to come again. And here I am putting together another piece of furniture for the shampoo area. We needed new towel cabinet because obviously the one we had before held everything because it was big, whereas like this new one, it fits like our cleaning rags, dirty laundry, shampoos, etc., and like cleaning products. And then we needed an area to keep the towels. Per state board regulation, you're not supposed to have your towels exposed. They should be in a closed cabinet. So that also made it a little tricky because we wanted, again, not like an open cabinet like this because it's a tight area. So these were the ones we found. This instruction manual is crazy. Cabinet autobiography, how I was assembled, okay? I have the following parts: how to spell me, and then it says that you scan the QR code and go watch a video on Twitter, and then at the end it says, don't want to watch the video? Okay. What the hell, bro? All of that, and none of the screws have labels, so okay. And that's why we label screws, because I've just been screwing in the wrong screws. Because like, how the fuck am I supposed to tell by that grainy picture? How about you be less sassy in your handbook and more instructional? I didn't have any problems with the first cabinet, okay? Whoever the hell made this. Oh. I like these ones in particular because they open from the top and then you push the door in and it kind of completely disappears. So that's why I picked these ones, and they've been wonderful to have in the salon on busy days when people are just back and forth. We kind of leave it open so that way you're not getting wet hands all over the handle 7 million times. But then on slow days we can keep them closed. When no one's there, we can keep them closed so that way they stay sanitary in there. Yeah, we've really been loving them. I still have to go to the grocery store and stuff, so I think I'm gonna be done for the day, but we've got all of the Halloween decorations taken down, and I just finished one of the towel cabinets, so I'm gonna clean up after myself, make sure some laundry's going, and probably head out for the day and finish that up tomorrow since the plumbing's not quite done yet. It'll be done tomorrow, hopefully, so then I'll be able to just like set it up too. Exciting! And that's the face of somebody who has no idea what's coming for them. We got a man here working on the split unit, so we'll have heating and cooling whenever we need it soon. Things are coming together. I still have to put together one towel cabinet and get them hung, but we're gonna have a brand new shampoo area in no time. Whitney got back into town and I immediately put her to work putting together more furniture. But this is what our shampoo area is looking like right now. I'm really happy about it. I'm grateful that we don't have to be closed during these plumbing issues and that we have like a more functional space than we had before, and it also just looks better than it did before. I'll have to update you guys because we might be getting new sinks. That might be how we fix this plumbing setup, so if so, that will be an update as well. We also want to like get some posters hung back here of like the salon team, maybe get like a neon sign. I don't know. We still have lots of big hopes and plans for like the updating and renovating of the salon, so I will keep you posted on that. I accidentally got here an hour before my appointment was supposed to start, so I decided to measure out the studs and kind of like put up some tape to help figure out where the cabinets are gonna get hung tomorrow. So this is where they're gonna get hung. The little ones are studs, and the big pieces of tape are like supposed to are a level spot where the cabinets are gonna go. So I don't know. I feel like that's good. Right? That looks nice. That's gonna be good. Lindsay, our muralist, texted me this morning and let me know that the mural is finished, and I just got to the salon. Let me show you. It turned out so good. It looks incredible. The lighting in here is not the best, so I'll insert some more clips in better lighting because it's a little bit backlit this time of day. It's a pretty sunny day, but it is so good. It is so crazy too, the level of detail. Like, you cannot even tell me that's not a real boot. That's crazy that that's painted. That literally looks like a little bottle sitting there. I love it so much. We just gave her like a general vibe. I sent her like some of our branding and our salon photo shoot we did when we first opened, and then kind of just said, hey, do your thing, make it look cute, make it look WM, and that's what she came up with. Lindsay is a genius. I'll link her Instagram in the description of this video if I remember, and that way you can go look at her other stuff because she's just incredible. Thank you guys for watching another salon renovation vlog. If you'd like to see other types of content from the salon, let me know. I can coordinate with the girls and see what we could do. Maybe I was thinking story times could be maybe fun. I don't know. If y'all have any ideas, let us know. And other than that, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.